help those that were left behind to move on. She comes up with a poem titled A Life of Remembrance. Let's warmly welcome Anita.
Guests of honor, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I greet you. As she said, my name is Anita, and I'm going to read a poem for us. This poem, I wrote it as I was thinking about young people, those who saw their parents being taken away in 1994 at the time when they needed them most. They received, or they were given, a huge responsibility to grow up very fast, to raise young ones, and to become men, as we say in Rwanda. Men doesn't necessarily mean gender. Even young ladies were taught to be men at that time. Here is the poem. A life of remembrance. We remember. It was dark, it was rainy, it was scary, it was silent. No place to hide. It was too risky. No one could take you in. You are too visible. You are too recognizable. No shoulder to lean on. They were gone. No time to mourn. It was not over. How would you mourn anyway? You had no rights. Every second, you witnessed death. One after the other, they slept. No, they didn't die. They only went quiet. They gave you the baton. They gave you the flambeau. Silently, you accepted both. Uraba intwari, uraba umugabo, uranga umugayo, uzagira izina, they said. Looks like they knew you were going to survive, didn't they? You wiped your tears as if nothing happened. You walked through those days with a broken heart, not knowing what the next second had for you. So long were the 100 days. And then you saw new faces. They talked differently. From far away they walked, silaha in their hands, armed to save. They spoke forgotten languages. They spoke peace, love. Humura, himugifuye. Powerful were those words. You wiped your tears and chose to move. Run, start afresh, create light, new friends, new neighbors, families, life. Here you are, 24 years later. Ntiwatatiye ijambo, ntiwatatiye igihango. You have the baton, you have the flambeau. You chose to live, and so did I. Humura.
Thank you very much, Anita. Ladies and gentlemen,